Does processing your COSHH data sheets give you a headache? Are you stuck sitting at your desk day after day creating, storing and updating them? Would you like to dramatically reduce your time and be able to create and maintain your COSHH data sheets online, allowing you to receive automatic emails and updates? If you've said yes to any of this, then let's introduce you to ISSI, our easy online COSHH sheet creation tool to manage your dangerous substances. ISSI allows you to add any products requiring an SDS sheet to your own personal ISSI platform, and, at a click of a button, create COSHH operating instruction sheets. You can also prepare a hazardous substance index for one or all of your products. We also have an ISSI app. Have instant access to all your SDS and COSHH sheets on your smartphone or tablet.